This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how hackers or cybercriminals can crash your IP address and knock you off the internet. More importantly, I'll also explain how you can protect yourself and what steps to take if this ever happens to you. This demo will give you a clear reason why it's so important to protect your digital life, including your IP address, so you don't become an easy target. Before we begin, please note that this video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes only. Hacking or attacking anyone's network without their consent is illegal and punishable under cybercrime laws. Everything you see here is happening in a controlled lab environment on my own devices. I do not support or encourage any form of illegal activity. Now let's get started. First, I'll go into the directory where the DDoS toolkit is located. This tool will allow us to run a safe demo of what a distributed denial of service DDoS attack looks like. For this demo, I'll be using my own mobile device IP address. Right now, you can see the device is connected to the internet. Everything is working smoothly, the browser is loading pages without issues, and I can refresh without any problems. Next, I'll launch the tool with the target IP address, 10.240.80.6, which is my mobile device. After pressing enter, the attack begins. You can see the tool is now running, and it shows that botnets from different regions are flooding this IP address with massive amounts of traffic. In a real-world scenario, these botnets are compromised computers spread across the globe that cybercriminals control. By sending huge volumes of traffic to a single IP address, they overwhelm the network and disrupt the connection. As the attacks continues, you'll notice the internet on the mobile device begins to slow down and eventually becomes completely unreachable. Even though I try to refresh the browser, the device can no longer connect. The attacker's goal has been achieved. The target has been knocked offline. No matter how much I try to refresh the browser, it won't just connect. Even if I decide to search something on browser, it will still be the same. This shows that the device IP address has been completely overloaded with botnets which make it to cut off the internet connection. You can still see it in the terminal. The attacks is not complete yet. Everything is still running, but the IP has already been overloaded with botnets. But why do cybercriminals do this? Some attackers use DDoS attacks to harass individuals by knocking them offline. Others may do it to extort money or force victims into paying a ransom. And on a larger scale, attackers can take down entire websites or online services by targeting their IP addresses, causing financial loss and damaging reputations. This is why it's important for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals to understand how these tools work. By studying them, security experts can develop defenses, strengthen firewalls, and design systems that can handle or block these attacks. So, how can you protect yourself from DDoS attacks? For mobile users, avoid sharing your personal IP address publicly. Use a VPN to mask your real IP. If your internet suddenly stops working and you suspect an attack, restart your router or request a new IP from your provider. For PC and home networks, keep your firewall enabled and updated. Use security tools that detect unusual traffic. Contact your ISP immediately if you suspect you are under attack. Many providers can help block malicious traffic. For businesses and websites, consider DDoS protection services like Cloudflare or Akamai, which specialize in absorbing these attacks. And that wraps up today's demo. Remember, this video was strictly educational, and I did not hack anyone. All devices shown belong to me, and everything happened in a safe, controlled environment. Stay safe, stay ethical, and always stay updated in the digital world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.